So hi guys, good morning. Finally solved the problem with Call of Duty Warzone. I've been up all night trying to find out what the problem is and why most of us are getting that error showing that you're missing one of those DLC packs. A very stubborn error that I'm getting. Okay. I'm also getting the same scenario as you are, where when you go to the store, you can see those downloads and they're not available, right? Okay. Good news. I finally found my way how I found it. Okay. Uh, okay. One of the challenges or the things that you need to take note of first is you need to know what region your disc is. I'm on PS4, by the way. Okay, so here's my disc. It's region 2, as you can see. So it's the greater European region, France, Saudi Arabia. Okay, those countries are under region 2, as you already know. Okay, so what I did is one, I created a new PSN account. Okay, this new PSN account that I'm logged in now, okay, as you can see, it's very clean. Okay, I had the address in under a region 2 country. Specifically, the one that I use is Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Okay, after that, okay, I ended up don't mind this one. It's just a pending download for a Warzone. Okay, but it's not needed anymore. Okay, from what I understand. So after logging into the PSN account that is Saudi Arabia based, okay, or region 2 based, okay, now you need to log in and launch your Warzone. Okay, the next thing is, I think this is the critical one, okay, is that your Activision account should also be under the same country. Okay, I know it's quite a hassle for everyone, okay, knowing that you might have played your Activision account originally from another country. Of course, you have all your friends there, you have all your achievements there, but anyway, this trick worked for me. Okay, you might be losing some, okay, but for new players, this might be uh, your solution as well. Okay, so now trying to log in. Okay, it's connecting to online services. Initially, okay, when you have this video, when you log in, it would prompt you for Activision login. Okay, do not log in with your existing Activision account. It will not work. Okay, I'm telling you. Aside from you'll also be getting another error that's binded or linked to another account. Okay, it will not work because most likely it's in another country. Okay, I'm in Singapore. Okay, but as you can see, Singapore is region 3 on PS4. Okay, so now knowing that this new account that I made, okay, if you want to add it, go ahead, no problem, but I'm not using Warzone anyway. The account that Activision account, I signed up for a new one. I made the address or the location into Saudi Arabia, the same as my PSN account. It's a region 2. Okay, earlier I'm also getting this install suspended prompt. Okay, but when you click on press X on your controller, it would also give me the same message saying that you're missing those DLC packs. Okay, but now look. Okay, look what happened now. Okay, I'll just see proof. So I'm pressing X now. As you can see, it's saying install suspended, right? So now pressing X, oh, it's showing this one now. Earlier, this was not showing for me. And you can't imagine how happy I am when this prompt appeared. Okay, there's also a difference. Okay, as you can see, there's only one multiplayer pack installed and data pack. Okay, I believe you would need all of these, okay, to use Call of Duty completely. Okay, but for a campaign, I believe it's the data pack 1, okay, and special ops pack. But I'll be downloading all of them, okay, just to make sure. Okay, because I don't want this error again. So okay, I'll click on one, press X. Okay, it goes to the PlayStation Store. Okay, earlier this was not showing. Okay, this data pack 1 entry. Okay, when you go to the prompt, I'll press back here first. Okay, most of us, okay, or most people have been doing this as well, which I was also following. Okay, well, I press down, and then you would go to the PlayStation Store icon here, right? Okay, under these, as you can see, it's still 20. It's the same thing. It will not show the rest of the add-ons that were missing, the ones that I showed you earlier. Okay, so you won't see it here. Okay, it will not solve the problem. So you would have to download it directly from the from here, from thus when you click on X, press X. Okay, download the installer packs here. So I'm going ahead and download them now. Okay, this might take a while. Can't believe how happy I am right now. This is crazy. Okay, that's one. I'm downloading the rest. Okay. Sorry for the shaky screen, guys. I'm working with one hand. Okay. And one more. Okay. So let's check our notifications. Crazy, man. This is crazy. Now it's downloading the rest of the packs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all queued. So, wow. That data pack is 18 gigabytes. That's big. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I believe I can't hold the phone for that long. I let it download, okay, and definitely this will work for me. I'm quite sure. I'm very sure, because I stayed up all night for this. And man, well, I'm just happy to share this with everyone. Hopefully you get to install yours. I had to delete my Modern Warfare on my PS4 because I only have the slim one, okay, and it's only 500 gigabytes, so it's very small. And imagine Modern Warfare, I think it's 150 in size, so I had to delete a lot of apps just for troubleshooting this. It's crazy. Okay, anyway, I think that wraps up my video. Try it out. Just for a summary, okay, try to create a new PSN account under the region that your disk is in. For me, I use Saudi Arabia or Riyadh. Okay, and when you log in, okay, the Activision account, okay, just create a new Activision account, and then just select Saudi Arabia. I mean, that's what I did. Okay, and miraculously, these are now showing under my store, and I hope it works for everyone. Okay, so yeah, it's now the 26th of the month of May, and yeah, there's still a virus going on, this pandemic. Just be safe, everyone. Okay, just stay at home, play games, and yeah, I believe this is the most recent solution for this. Okay, happy gaming, everyone. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, so just to give you an update of what happened after I installed the updates. Okay, so I'm logging in to Modern Warfare. It's now connecting. Okay, this is still using the Saudi Arabia account that I newly created for my Activision as well as for my PSN. Okay, so now as you can see, okay, it's still suspended here because I think I haven't downloaded the co-op one. Okay, let me check here. Yeah, I missed this special ops pack. Okay, it's downloading now. Okay, as you can see, for 3 minutes. Okay, we'll just go back. Just go back again. Okay, but good thing is a Warzone multiplayer and campaign is working. Okay, pressing X. Now it's giving me this. Amazing. So everything's back to normal, guys. Okay, so hopefully by following the same steps that I did, you could get to install the program. Okay, things just to take note. One, your PSN account should be in the same region. Okay, for my case, it's region 2. I chose Saudi Arabia. Okay, for logging in, okay, for your Activision account, create a new account. Okay, and then choose the same region as your disk. And my example as well, I use Saudi Arabia. But let me do a test, okay? Because this is my R2 PSN, okay? Let me log out on my R1 account. This is my R1 account, okay? Okay, so let me log in to my R1 account. Doing the same thing. Because I don't want to play my R2 account. I mean, all my trophies are in my R1 account. Okay, let me just load it for a while. You can see me there. Press X. Just let it connect. Okay, so this account, as you can see, it's different. Okay, this is my Singapore account. Okay, I'll just click on OK. Oh, let me check what's this. What this one is. Okay, just account settings. So just hit X here. Okay. So yes, I can access campaign normally. So if you want to continue playing back in your original account, okay, then you're free to do so. Amazing. Okay, guys, so hopefully this video helped. Okay, and good luck in your installation. Okay, peace. Bye.